blue one, most of the one here. As you see, this is a big package, even though it's, I don't know why it's got a rubber band on it, but this is a package, so I'm gonna see. I don't know why it's so big, like I said. As the item is not really that big, I guess maybe because of protection reasons, but that doesn't sound good, so see what they did. Go ahead and messed it up. And what's in here now? This is a Martin Scorsese film, or one of his early films, Who's That Knocking at My Door, from 1968. Yeah, 1968. It's in black and white. I heard it's pretty good. I mean, I heard it's not terrible. I mean, it's rated R and it is 90 minutes, and it's in black and white. As you can clearly see, it fell out of freaking place, so now it's probably scratched. So, but oh well, you know that happens. If it does, I will get a refund. So, yeah, there's the DVD, and I'm excited to watch this. I'm really looking forward to it. I think it's cool that it's one of Martin Scorsese's early films. So yeah, and I believe that that was what was his name? I forgot his name. Harvey Keitel, I believe. I don't remember, but I think he was in Mean Streets, which I also own on Blu-ray. So yeah, that's Who's That Knocking on My Door for Martin Scorsese, 1968. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching it. Bye.